Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about the whole numbers. We're going to be focused in one operation, that's division. Then first we have to talk about some properties of 0 and 1. Okay, property number 1. For any number except 0, if you divide that number by itself, the answer is gonna be 1. In other words, if a is different to 0, then a divided by a is equals to 1. Property number 2. Every number divided by 1, it's the same number. Property number 3. Every number divided by 0 is undefined. That's why in the first property, the condition is that any number divided by itself is 1, but except by 0. Property number 4. 0 divided by any number is always equals to 0, just with one exception, that is when a or that number is 0, because 0 divided by 0 is undefined. Let's see some examples. Example number 1, 0 divided by 6 is 0 according to property number 4. Example number 2, 7 divided by 1 is 7 according to property number 2. Exercise or example number 3, 20 divided by 20 is 1 according to property number 1. And example number 4, 1840 divided by 0 is undefined according to property number 3. Now, example number 5, it's to recognize another way to ask for a division. Then find the quotient of 6168 and 7. In here, as we can see, the exercise is asking us to divide 6168 by 7, but in a different way. Then let's do it. 6 divided by 7 is not possible, then we have to select 61. 61 divided by 7 is 8, and 8 times 7 is 56. Then let's subtract, and the difference in here is going to be 5. Now let's take the next number down, then it's still 56. 56 divided by 7 is again 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Minus 56 obviously is 0. Next, let's take the number 8 down, and 8 divided by 7, it's 1. Then let's put the number 1 here in the quotient and multiply, subtract, minus 7, and the answer is 1. Okay. Example number 6. What is 7,256 divided by 8? It's another way to ask for a division. Then in here we have to divide 7,256 divided by 8. Let's do it. In the similar way, 7 is smaller than 8, then we have to consider 72. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. Let's take the next number down, is number 5. 5 divided by 8 is not possible because 5 is smaller. Then we have to take the next one down, is 6, and now is 56 divided by 8, and 56 divided by 8 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56, and 56 minus 56 is 0. Then the answer is the quotient of the division. This number here is the remainder. When the remainder is 0, it's because the division is exact. When it's a different number, it's because it's not exact. This number here is the divisor, and here. And finally, this number is the dividend. These are the parts of the division: quotient, dividend, remainder, and divisor. Now, what happens if the exercise asks to evaluate the variable expression x over y for the given value of x and y? In example number 1, x is equals to 84 and y is equals to 1. Let's remember that the variable expression is x over y, then x over y. Then let's replace x is 84 and y is 1. 84 divided by 1 is 84. Example number 2, or exercise number 2, x is equals to 59 and y is equal to 59. Then remember, x over y is the variable of expression. Then 59 over 59 is equals to 1, according to one property of division. Example number 3, x is equals to 76 and y is equals to 0. X over y is the variable that we're considering. Then in this case, division by 0 is undefined, remember. Example number 4, x is equal to 11,792 and y is equals to 53. Then we have to solve the division. 11,792 divided by 53. 11 is smaller, then we have to use 117 divided by 53. Okay, in this case this is 2. 2 times 53 is 1006. Then we have to subtract. This subtraction is going to be equals to 11. And let's take the next number down. In this case is number 9. Let's take number 9 down and let's start again. 119 divided by 53 is again 2. The multiplication one more time is 106 and the subtraction is going to be 13. Let's take the next number down, and in this case is 132. When we divide, we can try with 3. 3 times 53 is more than 132. Then it's again number 2. That one more time is 106. The subtraction in this case is going to be 26. Then is not possible to continue. Then that's the answer, 222, and the remainder is 26. That's mean that the division is not exact. Then this, remember, is the quotient. The answer is always the quotient. This number over here, 26, is the remainder. And also this number, remember, is the divisor. And 11,792 is the dividend. Now let's analyze a word problem like this. There are 25 questions on a math test. The time allowed for the test is 50 minutes. How much time do you have per question on average? The word problem is asking time per question. Then we have to be focusing that we are talking about time at the top and question at the bottom. Then time is 50 minutes over 25, because the total questions are 25. Then we have to divide 50 divided by 25. 50 divided by 25 is 2. And obviously the remainder is 0 because the division is exact. Then my answer is going to be 2. Always, when we are solving word problems, we have to copy the sentence. The sentence is the answer. Then I have 2 minutes per question in average. And okay, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you.